There is a proposal for come in, please. I think let one of the wardens, somebody go. You are the warden. Call the students now. CM would like to speak to them.
Smaller classes, sir.
Up to class 6, no? Up to what class?
Class 3, 4.
3, 4, 5, 6. Where are you from?
I'm from Jylla. Yes.
Which class are you?
I'm in class 6.
So how long have you been in the hostel here?
For like 4 years now.
4 years.
Yes.
This is your bed?
No. I stay in another dorm.
You stay in another dorm.
And then they are 45.
Total. Bathroom, environment, huh? Halls. Here, and on the floor.
And the cupboards.
In the cupboards. So you would like to get the cupboards done immediately, and the bathroom, and the flooring some part. Huh? This part is the roof. It shakes. And who wrote all these things? Did you write these things?
No, it was.
It looks like your handwriting. Sure? Students, right?
So do you have this table lamps, etc.?
No.
So for reading it is required, not.
No, actually, I think that you can change it. Look at these holes that you After detailed discussion with the Honorable Education Minister and based on his suggestions, we have decided to come and visit here in Pine Mount School. As we are all aware that there were some concerns that have been raised by parents and the past pupils regarding some issues that were there in Pine Mount School, and this being one of the premier institutes of our state, and in the recent past there have been a lot of issues that have come up out here. So therefore we felt that a site visit and coming and seeing things for yourself would give us a better perspective on the current situation out here. So based on that, we had decided to come here and visit Pine Mount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already, and the sanction has already been done. And the tender process to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already, and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing was taking a bit of time. So I have spoken to the PWD Minister in charge building, PWD building, that the tendering process should be completed at the earliest. And within this academic year, within the next academic year, before the next academic year starts, that we would want the construction work of the new hostel building to start. And in the meantime, we'll make temporary arrangements for the students who are in the hostel. And we are looking at multiple options. We'll take a call on that in the next few days' time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we're examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused. We feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. So this was basically an idea was to, as I said, have a hands-on view of the entire situation out here. We are also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition. So we feel that in the field also. So those aspects also will be examined. And other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We'll examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers, and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we're going to take certain steps to improve things.